friends, welcome to yet another video in which we will learn how to create product mockup. So let's get started. Here we have the product image and here is the package design. Go to edit and copy it. Go to the product mockup and paste it. Hide the design layer by clicking on this eye icon. Now select the background layer and from the toolbar select the pen tool. Now select the product. Click a point and keep drawing. To make a curve, click a point and drag it. When you are done, right-click and choose Make Selection. Now with the layer selected, go to Adjustments and choose Solid Color. Choose the color, hit OK. Now change its blending mode to Multiply. Enable the design layer. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform it. Right-click and choose Distort. Fit it into the mockup without making much distortions. Right-click on the layer and choose Create Ribbon Mask. Now, make a copy of the background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Bring it to the top. Change its blending mode to Linear Burn. Click on the Color Fill Layer Mask and with the Layer Mask thumbnail selected, click on Ctrl or Command along with it. As you can see, the selection has been made. Now, click on the background and click on Vector Mask. And that's how you can create some amazing product mockups in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.